Hey guys, this is Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Guys, you can see here I have my AnkerMake M5. I'm ready to swap out my filament. I did order the AnkerMake Blue PLA Plus. That's what we're going to be adding today. So our first step is to remove the filament that's already in the machine. So we're going to go to retract. I have it set to 40 millimeters. That should be enough. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Now, what's going to happen at this point, it's going to heat up, as you guys can see here. It'll start the heating process and then it'll start to retract. Now, you may have to do this a couple of times to get it all out, but usually it's a pretty simple process. You guys see we have our light on over here letting us know that we are heating up. And this is the filament that I have in here right now. So I'm going to be removing that and we're going to replace that with this PLA from AnkerMake. All right, let's see if it's completely retracted or if I need to do another. All right, guys, you can see that came out really easily. Let me just secure this roll and we're going to get to the next step. All right, the next steps are going to be pretty easy. You're basically going to be doing everything in reverse. So we're just going to go ahead and cut into this plastic, get here into the roll. All right, so I always tell you guys to save these to help keep your other filament dry. Let's take a close look at this blue. You guys can see it's a very brilliant blue. So it's very well rolled on the spool. And as you guys can see right here, here's where it clips in. So we're just going to undo that. But before we get to that, I actually want to go over and get this set up on the spool. Okay, guys, so I cut this at a 45-degree angle, and I'm just going to feed it through here. And I'll start pushing it through until I feel a hard stop. And I can see it going through the tube. All right, so I hit my first hard stop. So the next thing I'm going to do is to press this little lever that you guys see right here. Press that down, and I'm going to push it further through until I feel the next stop. And then at that part, we're going to go back, and now we're going to hit extrude. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and move this up. Okay, so I'm going to move this up 10 millimeters, maybe a little bit more. There we go. All right, so we're going to go ahead and hit extrude. We're going to wait for it to heat up. And hopefully everything should be as it, is described. We should get filament coming through. Now I do see a little filament here. I think this was from the previous. So let's give it a second. As you guys can see there, the new filament is coming out. And let's just grab that. So that's the new blue. Let's do that one more time. All right, guys, so that's how simple it is to change out your filament. So the Anker PLA Plus, I do like using it. I started off using this with the first, when I first got the printer, and it came with a sample amount of the black, and it was very, very good for adhering to the surface and also for the speeds of this printer. So I'm assuming and hoping that the blue is just going to be just as good. I will let you guys know. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you all in the next video. Peace. I'm out.